So here we are, 7 bis.
Oh, Katie, this is very pretty. This is beautiful. So this one is completely done, is it?
Yes, there's no work to do in this house. This is a complete property. Everything's been done for you, so you can arrive with your suitcase and enjoy French life straight away. We have got this one on for 226,300.
Yeah.
That's including agency fees again, but not notaires fees. We've got 4 bedrooms.
Yeah.
The big kitchen diner downstairs. Living room, great outdoor space. There's actually 761 square metres of land with this property. So it's quite a lot for a village house.
Yeah.
It's all finished, yes. Got a nice bit of exposed stone.
Yeah.
I think they've done a lovely job on the ceiling. That sort of whitewashed look is really nice. And then these lovely old doors they've kept.
Yes.
Which take us through into the sitting room through here. I've heard rumours that they used to keep prisoners in here and take them up to be judged somewhere else in the village, but to be verified,
It's good to have a bit of house history there,
Yes,
isn't
it's
it?
definitely a very historic house, and the owner tells me that actually the staircase in this house is the oldest staircase in the village. So
Really?
they've done a super job renovating it, I think.
And an operational wood-burning stove.
Operational wood-burning stove, which really, the heat really rises in this house. So the owners have just put in some separate electric radiators, which is more than enough to keep it nice and toasty in the winter.
Sorry to interrupt this video, but if you're thinking about moving to France, but this is going to be quite a few years away from now, but you'd just like to find out where the perfect spot for you guys is in France, well, you can use our Region Matcher service. This is going to be the perfect service for you. You're going to give us all of your information on what your hobbies are, what you'll kind of weather you like, what kind of activities you want to do. And our experts are going to match you with the 3 top regions and create a specific digital map so that you can review this and also have a call with myself for 45 minutes to discuss the region that we've matched you with and the reason why potentially this will work for you. So without any further ado, go in the description box or use the QR code to purchase your Region Matcher service.
So we're in the tower part of the house now, as you can see, which is always a nice little feature to have on a property. You'll see when we go outside how that looks.
And these are the old stairs?
And this is the very old staircase,
Wow. So if there were prisoners waiting to go to trial,
yes, they'd have to come down these
come
stairs.
down these stairs, how many nervous people
I wonder,
down these stairs? Is this the master bedroom?
So no, this isn't actually the master bedroom, but the one next door I would say is probably the bigger of all of them. But we have got 4 bedrooms and quite honestly, they're all really good sizes. So it's a nice bright room.
Yeah, it is.
The owners have actually just put in a brand new shower in here before putting it on the market.
Yeah.
So that's nice. So you've got a nice modern bathroom.
Yes.
It's simple, but it's a decent size.
Yeah.
So I would think this really would be your master bedroom. It's got lovely features, a beautiful old original fireplace. You're looking out onto the street outside.
Yeah.
And I think what's quite nice in here is you've got that sort of elegance of having the high ceilings, but the nice country features of the stone and the wood and everything as well.
We're in the attic.
So we're up in the attic space here, which is great because you've got the ceiling height. This would pretty much suit anyone, I think, really.
And so here you can see level 2 of garden.
You can see level 2. Then in here you've got the other bathroom. Always intrigues me how they actually got the shower in under this beam.
Oh, yes. Oh, I like this bathroom.
It's really nice. And our final bedroom up here.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, so lots of beams.
Yeah.
Bit of stonework.
Yeah, you get a real sense of space.
You do. It is spacious, and I think it's a house that would be pleasant if there were 2 of you in it.
Yeah.
You'd have a bit of room.
Yeah.
If someone wanted to go upstairs and read, or do have a room where they do a bit of artwork or something like that. Not too big for 2 people, but spacious enough if you had family and friends to stay as well.
Totally.
Yeah. Do you want to go and have a look at the garden?
Please.
So, do you want to have a look outside, Lizzie? This is the lovely courtyard.
And what's behind the shutter?
So, in here, what they've done is they've just created a little space to stock some garden bits and bobs.
Oh, great.
Here is a nice little seating area.
Beautiful. Potential to grow things up the wall.
Absolutely. And like you were saying earlier, having something quite fragrant like jasmine or lavender in pots.
Green, something fragrant makes all the difference, doesn't it?
It does. You get quite a bit of sun in this back area.
Yeah.
But I would imagine at certain times of the day you get a nice bit of shade out here so you can sit and
read.
Enjoy your gin and tonic in the evening.
Absolutely.
So if you're watching this and you're seriously considering moving to France, but you don't know where to start, go in the description links below and schedule your appointment with us, or you can use the QR code on screen. We can help you move, but more importantly, we can help take the stress away, and so you can focus on what's important, which is living your dream life in France.
You can see this amazing view of the chateau opposite.
I mean, you're just surrounded by history, aren't you?
You are, and each level you go up, you see something else.
Yeah. It almost has built-in planting beds, doesn't it, here?
So next level up.
Oh, gosh, a grassy area.
A grassy
See,
area.
that's exactly what we were talking about. You have an opportunity
It's
for
got a bit
three
of
different
everything.
things.
Absolutely.
Does that include
And
it?
this as well, up the steps, we've got a fruit tree at the top and another little area there. I think that's the old original water tower for the village.
So much potential. You know what's really lovely is the house in perfect condition
Yes.
and everything to do with the garden and the land to do.
Yes.
So you really make of it what you want. But what a
Absolutely, yeah.
privilege to have this amount of land.
Yes, it's a huge,
Inside a
and
village.
it's not just behind the house, it wraps all the way around. So it's a really significant plot. And I think, you could make something stunning out of here, which the house merits having a beautiful outdoor space,
it does.
doesn't it, on these separate levels.
Imagine what you could do. Wow.